Recently, Kenworth announced that they'd be retiring the W900. This truck has been on highways around the world for over 63 years, and as a tribute to it, I made a Lego W900, and I'll also be having a tutorial on it. Even though Kenworth is going to stop building the W900, you can always build this one. Now, of course, has the iconic Kenworth windows. Pretty sure no other truck has windows there. Like the real thing, you can attach it to trailers, as it has a fifth wheel on the back. And if the trailer has a kingpin, you can simply attach. And you could maneuver around with the trailer too. As lights, exhaust pipe, the Kenworth grille, replicating Lego, and so is its sloped hood, which my Peterbilt did not have. Now that we know a bit about this W900, it's time for the tutorial. But before we do that, we are in a war with Full Fed Films, so make sure you subscribe so we can beat them in subscribers. Now, onto the tutorial. And we have now finished our Kenworth W900. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.